Hi guys, it's Marta with Fun in Third. If you are new to my channel, I am a third grade English language arts teacher in the Houston area. And today I want you guys to come shop with me as I visit Ikea. Okay, so guys, I am at Ikea and I am about to do some shopping for my classroom. Now, I don't really know what I'm about to get. There is just one item that I wanted to get out of here. It is a tabletop to go behind my desk, but who knows what else I might see, so come along with me. Okay guys, so I made it inside and I started off in the kitchen area, and this is nothing that I need out of here, so okay, I wanted to see what other kind of lighting that they had. I already bought some cute lamps, but I just wanted to see what else they might have. This is a cute one. This is really cute. Not bad for $7. Oh, this one is cute and it's black. How cute. Okay, this one might work. See if I can find it. Here it is. Okay, so I am in the back area where the bins are. Okay, so I gotta find which one is the correct tabletop. This is the perfect color. Okay, so I am trying to find, they have all of these wonderful tabletops, but no legs. So boo to that and to Ikea. So the only leg they have is this heavy adjustable leg that is like $15 a leg with this little table, and I don't like that. I wanted the legs to actually go with the table. So this Ikea trip is a bust. So I am going to probably just go to my favorite place, Goodwill, and find a table. So this was a wasted trip. Anyhow, let me get out of here and go to Goodwill. Okay, so boo to Ikea. I have never went in Ikea and it been a total bust. And I don't know if it's because they have been closed and everybody has just decided that they need tables because they're doing home offices, but they have loads and loads, all these beautiful colors. They had the beautiful green colored table top, but no legs to match any of them. So what the Ikea, why? Anyway, so I'll be on the hunt for, what I'm trying to do is to put a table kind of behind my desk, my teacher desk, so it will be like my teacher desk in the front, and then on the side is where I would keep, you know, because I'm trying to keep my desk from being so cluttered this year. So Anyway, I'm gonna need a table to go behind my desk, and that's what I'm looking for. So now I'm gonna just go to a couple Goodwills, just ones that's right by my house. I'm not gonna go out the way to see, especially because today is not Wednesday, which is the teacher discount 25% off day. So I'm just gonna go and see if I see anything that could work. Okay, so after my Ikea fiasco, I decided to come to Michael's. So let's go inside of Michael's to see what they have. Let's go. Okay, so I am in Michael's and they have a 70% off sale. Guys, guess what? Thanks to Teacher-ish, I came in, well, last night I ordered these. I have been wanting these for so long, but they've always been like 40 bucks and I never wanted to come off the money. But shout out to Teacher-ish who told me about these so that I can come and pick up 2 of them. So that was a good deal on those. So all teachers, go and get yourself some craft keepers, if I can get it back in the basket before they go back up on the prices. I am headed to the cart section. So the card that I'm looking for is the one that's, I really want this clear one, but I don't think they have it. But I want the one that has the 10 drawers. So let me get some help and look for it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I don't know what it is about the organization section, but it's just, I love it. So look at all of these nice bins and storage containers. I think I should get one of these for my planning supplies, because right now they're just in a recyclable shopping bag and I need to do better. But get yourself a craft keeper. I just got one for $10.40. Thanks at Teacher-ish. Okay, so I was able to find the cart and I believe this is the last one. This is the only one I could find. So got my cart, got my craft keepers. So I'm probably about to get up out of here. We just have so many good deals. Look at the yellow one, how pretty. All the pretty colors. Okay, so I have what I came in here for. Let's get out of here. Let's go pay before I buy something else. Okay guys, so now I just left out of Dollar Tree and the only thing that I got out of there was just a couple of bins because I am going to organize my crafting supplies. I almost got one of the craft organizers out of Michael's because they had them on sale for $4.99, but when I thought about the amount of stickers that I have, I felt like these taller bins would just fit a little bit better. So that's all I got out of Dollar Tree, and I did get my craft keepers today for my centers. Super excited about these. I got 2 of these, so you'll see those in my upcoming haul video. So I am gonna go ahead and head home. I have done enough. I am done. Instead of getting the table, I went ahead and opted to get the 10 drawer cart, which you saw in the store, and that is because I can just use the cart to put all of my papers and to keep my desk organized. I'm gonna figure out a labeling system of how I want to label it. I was gonna use the back table because I have one of those slots systems. I'll try to put a picture of it if I can find one in my storage, where it's kind of similar to the drawers, but they're just kind of like mailbox slots. And so I was going to use that, but because it's not tall, I would need to put it on top of something. So I really want to do my best to not have any type of papers just laying around on my desk this year, because I have a bad habit of that. And so I was trying to figure out a way to do that, and me having a table top, a table with legs in the back of my desk area would kind of help me to put my other things in the back part of the desk. So the only thing that I want on my desk basically is my computer and my lamp. That's basically it. My little decorative stuff, but no papers, nothing sitting around my desk like I normally do. So anyhow, the tabletop thing didn't work out at Ikea. So I believe that this cart will kind of make up for that, because I can just keep the cart right near my desk, and I will use that to organize all of my papers that I need to grade, all of that, those different things. So I don't have anything just sitting around on my desk. I want everything in some type of container or storage bin or cart. No papers laying around this year. I'm definitely gonna stick to that. So anyhow, that is going to do it for today's video. Be sure to check out the haul, the first part of my haul video. I'll be filming that today, so I am going to upload it on Tuesday. So be sure to check out my upcoming haul video. Please consider liking and subscribing, as I have many more videos to come. Until the next time, bye fun family.